Don't be alarmed, but there is something hiding in your food. Eating too much of sugar can be devastating for your health. Most people, including me, eat much more sugar than necessary. So reducing the added sugar intake in the food can be a healthful option for most of the people. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate, and it's also a source of energy for your body. The sugar can be natural or can be added to your food and drinks. The natural sugar is like lactose in the milk, or fructose in fruits and honey, or glucose in the fruits and vegetables. And the added sugar, as the name suggests, will be added by the manufacturer to increase the sweetness or to increase the shelf life or to improve the appearance of the foods or drink. The natural sugar is relatively harmless carbohydrates that our bodies need to function, which is found in fruits and vegetables and dairy products. The natural sugar is also accompanied with useful nutrients and vitamins and minerals. However, the added sugars tend to be found in the food that are low in vitamins and minerals and high in kilojoules. A kilojoule is a unit of measurement of energy in the food. The energy-dense foods are easy to overconsume. They are also referred to as discretionary food because they are not necessary to meet any kind of dietary needs. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugars to no more than 6 teaspoons per day for women and 9 teaspoons per day for men. But in reality, we eat way more, nearly 12 teaspoons per day for women and more than 17 teaspoons for men. Consuming too much added sugar can be contribute to obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, chronic inflammation, fatty liver disease, dental plaque and cavities, and so on. Reducing amount of sugar in your diet can help you reduce the risk of these health conditions. However, it can be challenging to slash added sugars from your diet. These are 4 simple ways to stop eating too much sugar. Number 1. Start it slow. The most important thing to remember when changing your diet is to do it gradually. Going from the diet full of sugar to one with no sugar should be a slow process. Start with the most obvious sources of sugar like cakes and muffins and brownies and ice cream and candies and lollies, etc. Initially, you will feel extremely tired. Over the years, you have taught your system to rely on the sugar for the energy. And now you are asking your body to function normally without these substances. But stick to it. It gets better soon. Your appetite may also change. Some people feel less hungry after reducing the sugar, while some feel the opposite. Whichever the case is for you, just remember that everything will be leveled out in about 2 weeks. You will stop craving for most sugar and healthy foods will taste better and more flavorful. Number 2. Learn and practice to read the food labels. Once you have managed to cut out the most obvious sugar from your diet, you can turn your attention to the other products that contain sugar. Fortunately, the food manufacturers are now required to disclose the added sugar on the food label. Labels tell you if there is any sugar added in the food, as well as the amount of the sugar in the product. Once you start reading labels, you will be surprised to know that this added sugar can be hidden in unlikely food like tomato ketchup and granola and breakfast cereals and fruit juices. There are more than 60 different names of sugar on the food label, which makes it more difficult to spot the sugar on the label. The most common names are cane sugar, brown sugar, beet sugar, coconut sugar, invert sugar, corn syrup, maple syrup, agave syrup, rice syrup, cane juice, barley malt, molasses, etc. You should also be aware of the ingredients name ending with OSE, like sucrose, glucose, lactose, fructose, and so on. Sugars hide in many different supermarket foods, so reading the label is a must for people who want to follow the no sugar diet. Number 3. Avoid sugary drinks. Most added sugar in our diet comes from the sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, sports drinks, energy drinks, sweetened tea, and coffee. The consumption of soft drinks in Australia has been increased by 30% in last 10 years. The standard serving size of the soft drink has also been increased. The serving size used to be 375 ml cans 10 years ago. The soft drinks now commonly sold in 600 ml bottles contain up to 16 teaspoons of the sugar. This ridiculously high amount of sugar will definitely exceed your daily recommended intake. Drinks also don't make you feel as full as solid food. So even if you consume more calories from the drinks, you don't eat less to compensate. Reducing the intake of the sugary drinks can help you with weight loss and improve your overall health. You can replace these sugary drinks with simple water or sparkling water or herbal tea, green tea or black coffee without sugar. Number 4. What to include in your diet. Now that we have removed so many things from our diet, let's see what to include in your diet. Replace the processed food by whole food like fruits, vegetables, whole grain and legumes. Try to cook your food from scratch rather than using any packaged ingredients. If you buy canned fruits or vegetables, try to avoid the ones which are packed in syrup or have sugar on the ingredients list. Be very careful with the healthy processed food like granola bar or muesli bar or protein bar. Surprisingly, they contain as much as sugar as chocolate bar or candy bar. Add fruits and dried fruits like bananas, strawberries, raisin, apricots in your breakfast cereals or oatmeal. So the bottom line is to be in full control of your added sugar intake, choose the diet which is based on whole food rather than highly processed alternatives. And the last thing, doing too many things at the same time to improve your health can lead to burnout and ultimately failure. If you want to reduce added sugar intake, pick one thing at a time and commit to it for 2 weeks. Once it becomes habit, pick another thing and commit to it. Keep this cycle going until you reach your goal. That's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. I wish you a day full of joy and happiness. See you again.